just a picture of my cat to begin today's video. I have recently just came out with my Instagram and Snap. Make sure you add me on Snapchat and Instagram to get the latest gossip on my life. My life is pretty boring at the moment, but don't worry, my life will be action-packed very soon. Contact me, message me, whatever you want. Many of you have been trying to message me on Snapchat and Instagram, which is absolutely amazing. Snapchat is getting quite busy and so is Instagram. So yeah, so just be aware of that. Before I begin, I just have to give so many shoutouts to some of my amazing, fabulous family members. Sorry I couldn't fit all of you. I would love to fit 1,000 of you onto one page, but I really can't. There's just not enough time, no space. Like, some people are throwing shoes at me as I say this, but anyway. So here is my Snapchat squad, my Instagram squad, and my early squad. Thank you guys so much for joining all the squads. You are literally all amazing, and I couldn't be here without you guys, so thank you guys so much. Many people are throwing their computers at me because I take too long for an intro, so guys, I'm really sorry. I have to make this quite short. Just remember, if you do want a shout out, just message me on my social medias and I'll give you a Make sure if you guys enjoyed today's video to go back to my channel, watch my very simple no glue, no borax slime tutorial. You don't need any glue and it's no borax, so it's so easy, even a baby could do it. Like, get your cat to help you with this. It's so easy and you'll have so much fun. And once you watch that video, you want to go pole dancing with your family. Yes guys, the new giveaway is out right now. So this is how you enter to have a chance to win the iPhone X. So the first thing you have to do is like today's video. Then what you have to do is comment why you want to win. And then what you have to do is share the video with at least 5 friends. And then guys, follow my Instagram, Peter Kiriakou. And then what you have to do is subscribe to my channel to become an amazing, fabulous family member, okay? And then obviously turn on post notifications and then done. Good luck everyone. So guys, this is the part of the video where I go on my hands and knees and beg for some likes. So I want you to stop whatever you're doing, throw your homework in the bin window, stop this video right now and either like or dislike the video. Have you liked the video so far? Have you disliked it? You know, share your opinions, because your opinion does matter on YouTube, and you know, yeah, it really does matter. So you know, leave a like or dislike right now. Let's begin. Yes, 1, 2, let's go. Oh my god, I messed up. Okay, no, it's fine. It's a little bit dirty, you know, a little bit creased, a little bit, you know, stretch marks over there, you see. But it's okay, because, you know, no one judges here. We all love each other, because, you know, hearts, you know. So guys, today we're going to be making a no glue, no borax slime recipe again. That's mainly what my channel is about, okay? So guys, make sure you watch this whole video without skipping to be entered to my iPhone X giveaway. If you manage to watch this video till the end without skipping, I will see this and I will notice you and I will enter you for the iPhone X giveaway. Also like this video and then comment down below why you should win the giveaway, you know? So you must be subscribed, obviously. So let's get into the tutorial, because all of you at home, you know, you're probably, you know, kissing your teeth. You must be thinking like, why is this boy on cocaine? What's he doing? Taking 10 years for an intro. I keep hitting my stupid lamp. I bought this lamp, guys, off Amazon. You see, you know, little lamp, you know, for, you know, people that want to do some homework. So I'm just using it, you know, to do a YouTube video, because I'm too poor to afford, you know. I'm not gonna like this video, then why am I straightening my hair for, you know? Anyway, just went to Nando's and I got this container for free. So guys, if you ever need containers and you're in the UK, just go to Nando's, because they have lots of containers there. Just take one, okay? They're free, so it doesn't matter if you steal them. I saw like a whole bunch, so you know, yeah. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is, my light is so stupid. So you'll need some salt fine. That makes no sense. Salt fine. You need Saxa, you know, Saxa S 1987. Salt fine for table and cooking, you know, for making tables. Let's just see the ingredients. Cook's corner, adding salt to water. Okay, who actually cares? You'll also need some dish soap. Now, I found this in my bathroom under a cupboard somewhere. It's probably my mum's, you know, she probably uses it to, you know, clean the sinks and that. So you will be needing this dish soap, because I saw this recipe online on someone's YouTube channel. I'm not going to name them, but apparently this works like perfectly. You make the most amazing slime out of this. So let's see if this works, because if it doesn't work, someone is going to, you know, get dragged by their hair. The first thing you want to do, guys, is grab your container. I stole it from Nando's. Let's grab your dish soap. Now, I'm going to be using yellow because I never used a yellow dish soap before. And I think this will be really cool to test out. So you want to put some in. I'm just going to zoom in. Oh, my God. Oh, I spilled some. Okay, so here we have it, guys. The dish soap. Just gonna clean my table. Then what you're gonna do is grab your salt fine. I think it's meant to say fine salt, but someone clearly done a really bad job at the packaging. How did this spill? I was literally showing you the salt and it spilt. Are you having a laugh? Where is this possessed demon throwing my dish soap on the floor? Who is this? I swear there's a ghost in this room. I swear if there's a ghost in here, you know, come out, you know, come out my closet, you know. Tell me why you're haunting me, for what reason. Comment down below, guys, if you have a ghost, and tell me the ghost's name. My ghost is called Sandra. So if you think this recipe will work, comment down below right now. Say, no, it won't work, you stupid. And tell me if it will work. Say, yes, I believe it. I believe in you. I believe in your potential. You're gonna get some GCSEs. Definitely work for you. You know, tell me down below. You know, comment down below. Will this work? I do not know. Oh my god, spat all over my camera. Okay, now what you're gonna do, guys, is add your fine salt. So let's add some. Okay, so I think that's enough. Now what you're gonna do, guys, is grab a mixing tool. Oh. So guys, grab a pencil because you can't afford a spoon as always. And yeah, let's start mixing. It's actually getting quite thick, I believe. No, it's not getting thick at all. Honestly, if this doesn't work, I'm going to be so angry. Because 1, I'm wasting my time. 2, I'm wasting your time. And 3, we're all wasting our time. And you know, we got things to do. Actually, I have nothing to do. I just sit at home, you know, stare at the wall. That's my life, basically. But you know, it really is not working. Let's add some more salt. You want to add a bit of salt. Don't add too much salt, guys. You only want to add a bit of salt. Ooh, satisfy me. Okay, so you don't add too much salt. I think I added too much. Did I add too much? What's wrong with me? Oh my god, the cup is literally half salt. Is it working? Guys, I'm not being funny yet, but the other person that did this tutorial, the salt was just put in and the slime was made instantly. And for me, it's still a whole mess. You know, sometimes I do believe some recipes are fake and some people just do them for fun. But like, why are you doing this? Why are you wasting my time? Anyway, I believe, you know, I'm a good Samaritan, you know. I believe in Jesus. So hopefully this will work. Oh, it's working. Oh my god. Oh. No way. No way. I said I believe in Jesus and then it worked. Oh my god. Guys, look how fluffy this got. Did you not see that? It turned white all of a sudden. What? You guys saw this. I did nothing tricky, nothing fishy. Slime was formed. I honestly don't know how I just done this. I shocked myself. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, as you can see, slime has been formed. I can confirm, guys, slime is formed. But the original recipe tells me to leave this in the freezer for about 2 days. So I don't have that time because, you know, I'm busy. You know, watching Netflix. So what you're going to do, guys, is just put this in the freezer for about 5 to 20 minutes. Now, that's the best time because I always go for that time. Let's see if we can make this any more slimier than it already is. Now, this is so cool. It's not really that slimy. Like, it doesn't have that pull consistency. Let's put this into the freezer and let's see what happens. Here's my lid from Nando's. And we're going to put this in the freezer and let's see what happens when we take it out. So here it is. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, I'm back from the freezer. Let's see if we have made some slime. Okay, so here's the container, guys. It's really, really cold. I think there's probably some ice in there. Okay, let's try and open this. Oh. Okay, let's mix this and see if we have made some clear slime. I don't get it. What is this? I've left this in the freezer for about an hour, guys, and nothing really happened.
Okay, let's see. This is like some sugar scrub that you buy in the corner shop. I'm not being funny yet, nothing really happened.
Guys, if you know how to fix this recipe, let me know down below what I did wrong, if I did anything wrong, or if you generally think this recipe is fake. Bye! So guys, this is a complete and utter fail. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another video of my channel. Make sure to smash a like on today's video if you did enjoy. Make sure to also comment down below any suggestions you may have, as I am going to start trying out all your amazing recipes. And subscribe, turn on post notifications if you would like a shout out in my next video. To get a shout out, all you have to do is watch the video without skipping and type down below hashtag notification squad, and I'll give you a shout out. To be entered into the Act for Next giveaway, all you have to do is watch the whole video without skipping, and I'll enter you into the Act for Next giveaway. I do know who watches the video till the end without skipping, so I do know, so you know, don't try tricking me, thank you. I can tell, guys, I have a computer program that tells me everything, so if you have watched this video till the end, you will know for a fact that you will have a chance of winning. If you didn't, then I'm sorry, but you will not be entered. But make sure, guys, you do watch the video till the end without skipping to be entered. And yeah, I love you all so much, guys, and make sure if you want to buy something from my shop, the links are all down below. I have tons of slimes, guys. Make sure to check down below if you want to purchase slimes from my shop. Also check out my shop Instagram, where you can see behind the scenes action of my slime shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. I love you all so much, and yeah, bye guys.